It's not possible that there are sins and there are no negative consequences of it. When there is sin, there has to be negative implications of it. इसकी सज़ा ज़रूर मिलती है, या तो इस दुनिया में मिलती है या आखिरत में मिलती है. जलना ज़रूर पड़ेगा, या तो इस दुनिया में जलना पड़ेगा या आखिरत में जलना पड़ेगा. Sins have consequences, sins are punished, there is no escape from it. You do not have any green pass because you are an alim, you do not have any green pass because you are a sheikh or a mufti or anything. No titles saves you. Sin is a sin and it has consequences. गुनाह गुनाह है और गुनाह के बुरे असरात होते हैं. What are the consequences of sinning? गुनाह की वजह से कुव्वत हाफ़ज़ा कमज़ोर हो जाता है. Our memories become weak. We become forgetful. It's very hard to learn anything new. It's very hard to do hifz of Quran. It's very hard to learn new subjects. It's very hard to memorize anything. Somebody, Imam Shafi once asked his teacher that, what should I do because I'm struggling to memorize things. And this is an answer being given to Imam Shafi. You can imagine what our state is. He said that because ilm is a noor, and noor is never given to somebody who sins. If you save yourself from sinning, you will start getting the noor, and you will start getting your memory would become strong. When we sin, we become physically weak. Our bodily strength also goes down. We have these complaints of, backaches, headaches, eyesight being weak, not feeling strong. One of the reasons for sinning is that the body itself becomes weak. When we sin and somebody finds out about it, then it affects our standing in the sight of others. हम ज़लील हो जाते हैं. और एक चीज़ याद रखें कि अल्लाह सुब्हान ताला सत्तार हैं. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes covering up our wrongs. But He covers up our wrongs to a point. When we become too indulgent in our wrongs, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would reveal it. And that is why you see that at times people in high status, people of high ranking, audio leaks, video leaks, somebody comes out and talks against them, something or the other, the wrong that they have been doing comes out in the open. And all that respect that others have of them because of the high moral that they pretended to have just simply goes away. When we sin, the consequences of that sin comes on our family members. एक बात याद रखें कि जब हम किसी की बेटी को गलत नज़र से देखते हैं तो कोई हमारी बेटी को, हमारी बीवी को, हमारी बहन को लाजमन गलत नज़र से. When we sin, we lose that sweetness that one gets in making dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. मनाजात की लज्जत ख़त्म हो जाती है.